Hi everyone, this is Brady Davis with the Roofing Center. One of the products that I want to talk about today that we get a lot of calls and inquiries about are synthetic wood shake options for a house. These are options that make sense to a homeowner that wants as close to a realistic, real live looking split cedar wood shake shingle. A lot of the areas in the West now, you can no longer do an actual cedar shake roof. But obviously it's a timeless look and people have really enjoyed that look, architecturally and just aesthetically for decades now. There are some companies like DaVinci, Cedar, etc. that make a synthetic shingle that is literally the same shape and size as a cedar shingle that can be applied to your roof. Those options are fireproof options, which is the number one, probably biggest upside to using that versus a traditional cedar shake. Is they are literally fireproof. So they've got a Class A fire rating. They do not have an ignition property to them. So if a burning ember lands on that roof, the shingle is not going to ignite. One thing is as well is that a lot of homes that want a cedar shake look are typically in the woods, the forest, the mountains, etc., kind of wooded areas, because it blends in nicely with the natural surroundings. So there are options, again, with DaVinci, with Cedar, and some of these other ones that we could absolutely take a look at that, show you some samples, measure your roof, and kind of give you some price comparisons between the two. In our stone-coated metal lines with Tilcor and Boral and these other products we do as well, they also make a wood shake profile that looks incredible on homes. Also has a Class A fire rating, 50-year warranties. And so if you like the look of a traditional cedar wood shake shingle, but you don't like the idea of having a tinderbox on your roof that can catch on fire, shingles that are going to age over the years, and you're looking for something permanent, we have a few options that I'm confident that would absolutely fit for your home and be something that would make sense to you as the homeowner. So give us a call anytime. We're happy to come out, show samples, get you some pricing, and show you how you can have a cedar shake look with a lifetime roof that is completely fireproof.